Okay, this is my Tesla Y, and for some reason my wife hit something, and look at this. So I used a Tesla roadside service, and they're gonna replace the actual tire. So that's nice. But they have a mobile service like this. Big car, and they're gonna actually give me a new tire and I don't know, fix it in the road. That's amazing. Help me. Oh, there's Starbucks.
Delete it, add it again.
What a cool service. It came really quick. So luckily we're on the side of the road where it's safe. So you have to do everything through the Tesla app, but I end up paying $447.75. That's including the parts and labor like that. And the tire was $369 per one tire. The labor was $35, and then there's the tax. Luckily, I had over $600 in Tesla credits, so this was free. So I looked up on America's Tire. That's where I get my tires, including Porsche. And each tire was $342. It's much cheaper, so total cost with the installation was $1,225.59. So now getting 3 tires, the front passenger, rear passenger, then the front driver. Because this one is a brand new from Tesla, so I don't need to change it. If you're ever in the area of Norwalk, visit this place, America's Tire. Friendliest and cheapest place.